One of the great things about four-wheel driving is that you never know what the tracks are going to throw at you. Sometimes you make it through and sometimes you get stuck, like we are now. We're the lead vehicle, so the safest and best option for a recovery here is to winch the vehicle out with a high quality winch. The Drivetech 4x4 winches have been designed with advanced dual speed technology. This allows for fast line retrieval and maximum strength. Available in 9,500 and 12,000 pound models, the Drivetech 4x4 winch comes with some pretty awesome features, including an IP67 waterproof rating, 26 metres of synthetic rope, quiet operation, aluminium hawse fairlead, and this 2-in-1 controller which you can use both wired and wirelessly. There are also some great install features that make the job easy and the finish pretty flash. First up, we've got multiple winch control box mounting options. You can mount directly to the top of the winch. There's a bracket included so that you can mount it offset above the winch motor, or alternatively you can mount it directly to the top of your bar. The kit also comes with a high quality battery isolator, remote control box socket and a plug extension lead that, as standard, allows you to keep everything secure and hidden. Alright, enough of the chat, let's get ourselves unstuck. To find out more about the Drivetech 4x4 dual speed winches or to find your closest stockist, head to drivetech4x4.com.au.